Thank you.
Hello, Paradol. Rất feel good.
Welcome.
This name is the bucket. Bucket. It's like a banana bat inside. Other name is a dark head.
The dark head. Because it's dark.
This cave is the most beautiful and the biggest cave at halongbay.
Oh, that's crazy. Like the water is sliding up. Yeah. Careful.
Show your strength now. Yeah.
Ej, ale nie, goni! Odpływają, goj! Nie widać już.
He's acting for video. I'm sorry we are not fast enough. Yeah, but it's nice for you.
I was like, no, maybe I can wait 20 minutes. Thank you very much. Hell yeah. Just gotta make sure my hair is alright before I jump into the water, right? Muy bien. ¿Qué tal? This place is beautiful. Holy damn, this place is gorgeous. Yeah. Breathing. I think it's fine, actually. Should I do it? Oh, the current is strong now. Are there? Yeah. I think you can do it. Yeah, you can actually go through it. Alright, let me go to the other side. Do it! Do it! I'm filming! But I'm right here!
Okay, I'm doing it.
Oh, you're doing it. Oh, you're doing it. Yeah. You. Now I gotta do it as well, right?
Oh shit!
Yeah, welcome to the clubhouse.
You go down the other way.
This is great.
Okay.
Oh shit.
You're going against the tide.
Yeah.
Terrible idea.
Stronger.
I just let it sort of like bring me in. Woohoo!
Okay, see you on the other side.
Okay. That was fun.
We didn't die. High five. Oh, what? They bring you to the beach? No. No.
It's down beach.
Get the fuck away from our beach. Look at this. We had to fight together.
Abort. Abort. Pirates. Somalian pirates.
Yeah, pull out the guns. Let's get the boat. Oh, that's great. This is the best.
Goddamn immigrant.
Fucking immigrant. Keep stealing our jobs. Oh shit, I should have picked the other one. I made a mistake, come back. Come on guys, pedal. Guys, this is what it feels like not having a job in the Netherlands. Let them pedal. Trying to invade to Europe. The title, the clickbait title, trying to invade Vietnam. Again. Good morning, Vietnam. I swear I won't take your place. Work, you dirty immigrant. There's another cave. This one's a little easier. Yeah. And watch your head. Oh, it smells. Yeah. And that's how Batman was created. I'm Batman. Right. Taste the sea. Okay. So 3, 2, 1. Very nice. And now let's get out quickly before the fucking jellyfish comes.
1, 2, 3,
Jellyfish. I hate jellyfish.
Really? So did jellyfish do?
Huh? You? Hurts? Oh! Fuck no. I'm not getting in the water again. Shit, man. Oh.
It's my pen is big. It's very big. When I beat the jellyfish attack me.
Looks painful, man.
I feel the very
Yeah? Itching.
Did you? I can't sleep 3 days.
Fuck, man. Did you feel
Can't
this
sleep.
thing like instantly? Like,
I asked my father. My father said it's a dosage jellyfish.
dangerous.
Then the jellyfish. But it's dead. It's not live.
The jellyfish is dead? You killed it?
No, I don't know. It's dead, and if the jellyfish live, it's in the sea. We can see it, but it's jellyfish dead is under the sea. We can't see it. But I driving. I see the color diving match. I see it's white color, but I don't know it's what is this exactly. What is it? But I use my left kick it.
Oh.
But it attack me. It's like allergic. I feel very hard. It's like the gun is sauce me.
Oh. Ah, fuck.
I go back to the boat and I use the I take lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah. If
Put
you
lemon
eat
on
the jellyfish, you take the lemon.
Lemon, yeah.
Yeah.
Or pee over it. I've heard that as
Yeah.
well. Pee over the wound, right?
Yeah. Pee over. Maybe the 5:45.
We're gonna be the cool guys in the back, right?
Yeah, the cool guys. Yeah.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.